All right, we're going to set it up for a short takeoff. What I like to do is put, he's following the pipeline, so it won't be a factor. Hey, Mexico traffic, Experimental 750 STOL is going to be departing runway 18B, southeast departure Mexico. So I like to add a little bit of flaps, brakes, full power, stick back, and the nose comes up and I go forward with the stick a little bit. Once I get...
instant.
Yep. And then just let it fly off when she's ready.
Beautiful.
And we got the new nose gear strut shock suspension on this.
Okay.
I don't know if you've flown with it yet or not.
Yeah, we just put it in Doug's plane over in
a lot nicer, isn't it?
Yeah,
it makes it a lot lighter.
Yeah.
Nose gear feels like a tail dragger now, or the rudders feel like that. A little choppy today.
Oh yeah.
Nice and flat out here, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't see one hill or mountain.
Yeah, it makes it pretty relaxing and flying.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're up here in the 750 STOL. We're here at the June 2019 Rudder Workshop, and here I have Ivan from California, and the special thing about Ivan is he's visiting here at Zenith Aircraft Factory because he is going to take over quality sport plane, Doug Duggar's builder's assist, I guess, helping customers, selling kits, and he's got a lot of experience in the Zenith product already. He's built and flying an 801, a 750, and he's working on a 701 right now. So, I mean, he's got a lot of experience for our customers out there. And Doug will still be there helping him when he needs to, probably for the open houses or rudder workshops. What can you add to what are you going to be doing at your QSP?
So over there, it's mainly just being a distributor for you guys, and I just have real love for flying and building. So anything I could help out where we get these kits going and people enjoying them like I do is just one of the things that I'd love to do. So.
Well, it's great because Doug has really, grown our California base, our Zenith products out there in California, over the years, and we just hate to lose it. And you seem like a good person to take over. When do you think you're going to have your first rudder workshop?
I'm going to try to do one next month.
Oh, great. Yep. So he's going to try to do a rudder workshop next month, which will be nice, and he's got the experience, so it'd be great to get some of the local people out there to build some rudders.
Yeah.
And exactly. Then Doug has always had some open houses. I know he's had one in May and one in the fall. You're still planning on maybe doing open houses throughout the... Okay, great.
Yeah, definitely. This year, we're going to do it a little bit late on next weekend on the 22nd. I believe we're going to do our first, open house and kind of a little retirement party for Doug, and just have a good time and kind of meet all the crowd around there a little bit more. So and then next year again, and we're going to try to keep it in May.
Oh, excellent.
So, yeah.
Excellent. Well, I sure hope, I'm glad you keep on continuing the open houses because I've been out there 8, 9, 10 times, and I always enjoy going out there for the open houses, meeting all the California customers and doing a little flying. And then we always had to fly out the next day, just local people, local 750s or not even Zenith airplanes fly out to, I think it's called Pilsner.
Pillsbury, Lake Pillsbury.
Yeah, Lake Pillsbury.
Oh, yeah.
We'd go down there and we'd take a sandwiches and maybe do a little shooting and stuff, and we just had a good time.
Exactly, yeah, it's a great place, little dirt strip, lake's right there, and little shooting range right on the end, and I definitely want to continue that and just having fun with everyone. That's what it's all about. And
you're going to keep the name Quality Sport Planes,
yep.
Same website, same emails. Okay, great.
Same everything. Same phone number. All.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And are you going to be there? What's your schedule going to be? Are you going to work there full time, or do you have a day job, another day job?
Yeah. So I do tree work and excavation still right now.
Okay.
But pretty much on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sundays.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay.
Is where I'm going to try to be all the time. At first, it's going to be Friday, Saturday, Sundays, and then the Thursdays in there. So.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Well, have you enjoyed the rotor workshop here?
Oh yeah, you guys are great. I love you. How you kind of let people learn on their own, and when they got questions, you kind of jump right in there. I'm learning a lot just from being here, which is always great. You're always learning something.
Yeah, excellent, excellent. Yeah, we'll do some turns here. Do some turns. And there's no reason to get too steep. You're just trying to show them what the plane, not what you can do.
Yeah.
And you've got quite a few hours in the 750, right?
Yeah.
So you know how it flies. It flies great. And the 750 you had the Viking engine in it, and you was very happy with that, I bet. And great performance.
Yeah, it did.
Tell you what, you want to feel how it feels and see if it feels any different than the ones you've flown. Just curiosity, see if it should, but probably still feels about the same, doesn't it?
Yeah, it feels
like a
Zenith.
That's.
It's funny because there's always like a little bit of a differences you could feel.
Right.
I'm sure from weight and balance and stuff, but yeah, it's these things fly so nice. That's what I love about your planes. They're great.
Yep. But you got a beautiful area. We've landed on the Russian River, and it's neat area out there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm lucky.
And you've always lived in California?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Right out of high school, I moved to Wisconsin for about 3 years.
Okay.
Did my machinist out there and everything else. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's set up for a short landing on 18. And Mexico traffic, Sparrow 750 is going to enter a left down for runway 18 Mexico. We'll get up here and we'll turn for such a slow aircraft. You just kind of wait to do the turn until you get we're right up here.
Yeah.
Okay, we got gas, undercarriage, mixture props, seat belts, looks great. Beam the numbers. What I like to do is bring back power, get in the white arc, add a little bit of flaps, start my descent. And Mexico traffic, experimental is turning base to final for runway 18 Mexico. And you can slip it and everything, but you just don't need to. If you know how to fly the airplane, just pull back power, bring the nose up, and you can develop a very high sink rate. A lot of times you want to add just a little bit of touch of power just on short final or about ready touchdown, just softens everything. You don't need power if you know how to fly the airplane, but start bringing that nose up, it starts dragging you, as you know.
Yep.
I'm not doing anything extreme. As you can tell, it's going to land pretty short.
Yeah.
Start adding power. Bring the nose up.
Nice.
Yep. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the workshop coming here to Mexico, Missouri, and
I really have, and I'd recommend it to anyone thinking about building. You know, it's come see the factory, come meet you guys. That's, you know, you guys got a great crew over here. A lot of information or questions you ever want to answer is wonderful. So,
well, thank you. Yeah, thank you for coming, and hopefully someday some of our customers or myself will get out and see you in Cloverdale.
hope so. Thank you.